Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to log in on Trello if you guys don't already know. In my previous video, I taught you guys how to create an account on Trello, and right now, I'm going to teach you guys how to sign in or log in on Trello. So you can see I'm already inside the Trello Official app, and if you don't know how to get there, you go to a new tab, you click Trello and you'll be inside after clicking the first link that pops up. So after you're here, you click on login, or you can go here as well. So I've already logged in, so you can click directly there, or if you're new, you click on this login button, and after you click there, you enter your email and password if you remember that. And if you have logged in from your or sign up from your Google, Microsoft or Apple account, you click on either one of these. I have logged in from Google, so I click on Google, and the account that you logged in from or you sign up from, and after you click on that, you'll be inside your piece in few seconds. They'll ask for some permission and some authorization if needed. So you can see here I'm already inside my Trello account in just a few steps. So I believe I've taught you guys how to log in on Trello, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.